Dude, my name's Max D. I am stand for Maximum Destruction, and I want to rip up the sand. Hey, Gravedigger. Hey, higher education. Do you want to go cruising with us? Do you want to rip up the mud and do some epic jumps?
There's some rocks you gotta find.
We gotta find some rocks, dude. Dude, let's go find some rocks. I'm gonna do some donuts. Wow. I'm doing some donuts.
What?
Epic donuts.
Let's get some rocks.
Hey, Megladon. What up, dude? What up, Jurassic? What's up, little dude? High wheelie 5. Give me a high wheelie 5, dude. Yeah. Let's go. Cruising. Dude, I found a rock, dude. Check it out. Look at that little rock I found, dude, right there.
Come with us.
Come with us. I'm going to do a backflip off the pole. Oh, almost landed it. Oh no, let's save the monster truck. What's up, little dude? We gotta save you, dude. I'm gonna do some wheelies. Yeah.
Look at my rock.
Dude, that is an awesome rock, bro.
I'm trying to get this rock out.
I'm gonna build an epic jump for us.
Wow.
Let's build a jump.
Yeah.
We want a nice epic jump. Hey, Gravedigger, I got an epic jump for us to do. Watch me, bro. Top of a wheelie. Dude, look at that. Go jump off, bro. Whoa, Gravedigger. Wheel challenge. Maxie, here we go. Watch out. Epic backflip.
Watch out, guys.
Wow. Megladon, you hit Brayden. Wow, Jurassic Rex, that was awesome. You're gonna do an epic. I'm gonna do an epic backflip towards you as you go. Ah! I'm gonna jump over you. Donuts! Donuts! Yeah! Little Max D, what's up, my little brother? What you up to, dude? Come on, Megladon, let's go cruising.
Hey, I got my.
What's up, big Soldier Fortune and little Soldier Fortune? What's up, dude? High five wheels. Yeah, high five wheels, Megladon. Yeah. Yeah, little Soldier Fortune. Let's do this.
Why do you have mud in your tires?
I got mud in my tires because I'm ripping up dirt.
You have money in your tires.
I have money in my tires? Oh, dude, I totally have money in my tires. So awesome. Let's go. I'm gonna go wheelie into a jump, backflip off Max speed.
Watch out!
Yeah, it is like a moat. Let's go rip it up. Ready? Watch out. I'm gonna rip it. Whoa! Dude, that's an awesome wheelie, Gravedigger.
Oh, I won! Guys, you see that?
Gravedigger, you always make some epic tricks. And Gravedigger landed it. That was epic. Go Megladon. That was cool. Wow, Soldier Fortune. Here's what I'm gonna do, dudes. I'm gonna do a really long wheelie. I'm gonna do a really long wheelie into a backflip. Ready? Ah, that was not epic. I'm on my back. Hey Megladon, I need some help, dude. I need you to flip me over. I need some help. Come on. Use teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work. Ah, awesome. Let's go find some awesome rocks, dude. I'm gonna do some wheelies. Yeah. Whoa. Forward flip. That was epic. That was so epic. Alright, so now, kids, what we're gonna do is, Lucas built this cool sand ramp. We got our monster trucks, and we're gonna do an epic monster truck jump challenge. And we want you to vote on who makes the most epic jump. And we also wanna know what your favorite Monster Jam monster truck is, because the boys love them all. So, we're ready. Luca, you got higher education.
Kids,
go for it.
Blocks on your back. So there's a long mat. Brayden, can you please move?
Brayden, move. All right. All right. Higher education did a nice jump. Max D also did a nice jump.
Yep.
Soldier Fortune, pretty epic. All right, Megladon. Oh, hit top of Max D.
Guys, I'm gonna go to Florida. Do it.
All right, go Gravedigger. Gravedigger did more of a wheelie. Pat it down a little, Brayden. See, that's a nice little cool ramp. Build it back up. Build it back up. You gotta build it up. The higher the ramp, the more sand, the more epic the jump. So the boys are gonna build a high jump ramp. They're gonna build a high ramp for more epic jumps. Keep on going, more sand. We want more sand. We want more sand. We want more sand. More sand. I'm gonna help. I'm gonna help with my foot. We need lots of sand.
Okay.
Super epic. We're going like super epic jump right now. Alright. Lucca and Brayden are doing a good job.
More stronger.
Yeah. Here, let's make it wider. Make it wider. So it's good enough for the big cars.
Guys, let's test it out.
Hold on. Hold on. You gotta make it wider. It needs to be wide enough for the big trucks. Alright.
Okay,
so, Lucca's gonna text it out with Megladon. Oh, that's way epic. Dude, higher education. Whoa, Max D. Come on, Gravedigger. Go for it. Oh, crash and burn. Watch out, Brayden. Oh, that was pretty sweet. Dude, these are all awesome. Alright, here comes Shark. What? Oh, kids, did you see that? That car jumped so far and he landed it. Alright kids, Lucca and Brayden just built a new ramp. Lucca, tell them about the ramp you built.
This is the ramp. Dad helped me. He did this for me, and I built it, and I tested it out. You can see the tire marks when I tested it out.
So kids, you see the tire marks right down there? Look at this jump. It's a nice wide jump. It's got a steep backdrop, and we're gonna do super epic monster truck jumps just for you, our viewers. We love you. Thank you for watching our show, and get ready for some super epic jumps. Lucca, start it off.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
We're gonna do it
Backwards Max D. Oh, that was epic. I don't know about you, but that was pretty cool. Backwards, landed it, some good air. Let's see what we got here. So we got Megladon. Megladon likes to stand. It's a shark. Let's do this. Whoa! Megladon went so far, crashed into Max D and flipped over, but still super epic. Brayden.
higher education.
Alright, let's do higher education, then we're gonna do Brayden's jump and see his epic jump. Dude, that was awesome. Brayden, tell the kids about your jump.
There's an ice cream scoop like this, and there's too much with it.
Whoa! That was pretty cool. So Brayden put some monster trucks buried in his jump to make it more stable and make it more epic. So show us your epic jumps, dude.
Okay. Next is Max D.
Max D.
Dad, you're the crab hole.
Go for it. Whoa! Let's see a crab hole. Where?
Right here.
Whoa! What is down that hole? There's another one right there.
Maybe crabs did that.
Do you think there's crabs in the sand volleyball court, or do you think the crabs on the beach? I don't know.
The crabs the crabs, we know we would make them holes.
Alright.
I'm gonna do grave digger.
Let's do a grave digger. Epic jump. Brayden, watch out. Dude! That was pretty awesome. Go get some more, Lucca.
We haven't did. I forgot about Avenger.
Soldier Fortune?
Yeah.
Alright. Ready? Oh, that was pretty awesome.
Crab holes.
There's some crab holes.
Yeah, over here. I don't believe it.
I see Megladon. It's a Megladon hole. What up, dude?
I know where that crab hole goes.
Alright, let's do some more epic jumps. I don't know about you, but I want more jumps. More jumps. More jumps.
And minier.
Mini jumps. Dude! Shark Wreck landed it. Watch out, Brayden. Oh! I have epic jumpathon right now. I want to see both of you do epic jumps at the same time and see if you can crash them. Brayden, grab your monster trucks, you jump. Lucca, you grab your monster trucks and you jump. And I want to see epic crash course jumping together.
I'm gonna get my own monster truck set for my own.
Brayden's burying Shark Attack. Alright, Brayden, you're supposed to be jumping a monster truck while Lucca jumps a monster truck because we want epic. All right, get ready. Brayden's about to, wait. Oh, shark wreck came out. All right, both of you guys line up at the same time. Ooh, Megladon. This is so crazy. I can't even keep up with this myself. There's so many awesome epic jumps. I feel like we're almost at a real Monster Jam. We'll do something cool right now. We're gonna do backflip jumps. That is right. We're gonna do epic backflip jumps for you. Lucca, get it ready. Brayden, get it ready. I want both of you guys.
It's already ready.
I want.
Okay. Who do you want coming out first? Megladon, high rotation, or Soldier Fortune?
Let's try Soldier Fortune. Brayden, who are you gonna go with first?
Okay.
I want to see you guys try to do back jumps. I want epic back jumps. Grave digger. Let's do backflips. Let's go epic backflips. Ready? I'm gonna count you down. Oh, there was a backflip. Right? I'm gonna count you down. Boom. Grab. That was almost a backflip. All right, Dad's gonna try one. I'm going epic. Here we go. There we go. Watch out. Here we go. I'm gonna give you behind the monster truck view as we do an epic backflip. Here we go. We're going up. Watch out, Brayden.
Kid.
Didn't quite land it.
Kid, watch out.
Watch out, Brayden.
Watch out. Bay, watch out. I might hit you right in the head.
Alright. Watch out, Brayden. Alright, here we go. Epic monster truck jump. That was pretty cool.
Brayden, watch out again.
Watch out, Brayden. We got one more.
I'm trying to do a backflip. I need stand this off so like the monster just flips off some sand. It's fine, jump over, baby.
Oh, so close. Lucca is having so much fun. How much fun are you kids having?
Kids, do you know something cool?
How much fun are you having, Lucca?
I'm having so much fun, and I'm trying to do a backflip off of it.
Okay, ready? Alright, let's see you do this, Lucca. Ah! Higher education took out half of the jump trying to do the backflip. That was pretty awesome. Look at Max D. Alright, here we go, Lucca. Watch out, Brayden. Daddy's gonna do an epic backflip after Lucca goes. Watch out, Brayden.
I'm trying to knock. Right now, I'm trying to knock the speed out.
That was a pretty good jump. Alright, I'm gonna grab Megladon and I'm gonna do this. Brayden, watch out. Lucca, watch out. Up, more sand. We're going epic. Alright, we're going epic. Here we go. We got Megladon. Watch out, Brayden. Here we go. Megladon's going. 3, 2, 1, and we are going. Oh! That was awesome! Look at Megladon! Look at Megladon! That is so cool! That is as epic as you could possibly get. And then Brayden and Lucca does that. That was pretty awesome. Here you go. Whoa! That was pretty awesome. We're gonna do slow motion replays of all the awesome jumps because you gotta enjoy it in super slow motion with some music. Brayden, which one's your favorite monster truck?
Brayden and Max D.
Gravedigger and Max D. Kids, do you want some more jumps? Yeah, you do. Let's do some more jumps, Lucca. Let's get some more epic jumps going.
A mini stand block on here.
Okay. What's the mini sandball gonna do?
It's gonna stop the monster truck.
It's gonna stop the monster truck? It's gonna make the monster truck do a backflip or stop them. I like it. Point a little wrist. Brayden, you gotta watch out, dude. Oh! Crash landing.
And it made many more to this.
Alright, Brayden, what you got going on here?
Go!
What do you got going on in here?
2 rounds.
2 ramps.